Circulatory System. The circulatory system is like the body's transportation network. Imagine a city with roads that connect every house, office, and park. Similarly, this system transports blood, nutrients, gases, and waste products to and from every cell in your body. The heart is the powerhouse, pumping blood through a vast network of blood vessels. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body, while veins bring oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Blood vessels are like highways and side streets. Capillaries, the smallest blood vessels, act as the final delivery points where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged for carbon dioxide and waste products. This entire process ensures that every cell receives the necessary ingredients to function and grow, while also removing the byproducts of cellular processes. Blood itself is a specialized fluid composed of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells carry oxygen, white blood cells fight infections, platelets help with clotting, and plasma transports nutrients, hormones, and waste products. This intricate system keeps our body running smoothly, much like a well-maintained city. Digestive System. The digestive system is our body's food processing plant. When you eat, your body breaks down the food into tiny pieces that can be absorbed and used for energy, growth, and repair. It starts in the mouth, where chewing and saliva break food into smaller bits. The esophagus then acts as a conveyor belt, moving food to the stomach. In the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes further break down food into a semi-liquid form called chyme. This chyme then moves to the small intestine, the main site for nutrient absorption. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny, finger-like projections called villi, which absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder assist by producing bile and enzymes that help digest fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The large intestine absorbs water and forms waste products into stool, which are then excreted from the body. This process ensures that our body gets the nutrients it needs while disposing of what it doesn't.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more topics you love.
Endocrine System. The endocrine system is the body's communication network, using hormones to send messages. Think of hormones as emails sent by glands to different parts of the body, instructing them how to function. Glands like the thyroid, pituitary, and adrenal glands produce these hormones, which regulate metabolism, growth, mood, and reproduction. For example, the thyroid gland produces hormones that control how fast your body uses energy. The pituitary gland, often called the master gland, controls other glands and influences growth, blood pressure, and water balance. The adrenal glands produce hormones that help you respond to stress and regulate salt and water balance. The pancreas plays a dual role, both as a digestive organ and an endocrine gland. It produces insulin, a hormone that helps control blood sugar levels. Ovaries and testes produce sex hormones, which influence reproductive functions and secondary sexual characteristics. This system ensures that your body operates in harmony, responding to internal and external changes efficiently. Immune System. The immune system is your body's defense force, protecting you from invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Imagine it as a vigilant army always on the lookout for anything that doesn't belong. White blood cells are the soldiers, constantly patrolling your body and attacking any foreign invaders they encounter. Lymph nodes are like military bases where white blood cells gather and prepare for battle. When an infection is detected, these nodes swell as they produce more cells to fight the invader. The spleen acts as a blood filter, removing old red blood cells and pathogens. Bone marrow is the training ground where new white blood cells are produced. The thymus is another important organ, where T cells, a type of white blood cell, mature and learn to distinguish between the body's own cells and foreign cells. This system also includes antibodies, which are proteins that specifically target and neutralize pathogens. Together, these components provide a robust defense mechanism, ensuring your body stays healthy. Integumentary System. The integumentary system is your body's first line of defense, encompassing the skin, hair, nails, and various glands. The skin, the largest organ in your body, acts as a protective barrier against external threats like bacteria, chemicals, and physical injuries. It's made up of multiple layers, each with specific functions. The outermost layer, the epidermis, contains cells that produce keratin, a tough protein that makes your skin waterproof and resilient. Beneath that is the dermis, which houses hair follicles, sweat glands, sebaceous glands, and nerve endings. Sweat glands help regulate body temperature by releasing sweat, while sebaceous glands produce oil to keep your skin moisturized. Hair and nails are also part of this system, providing an additional layer of protection and aiding in sensory perception. The skin's sensory receptors allow you to feel touch, pain, and temperature changes, helping you respond to your environment. This system not only protects but also plays a key role in regulating body temperature and providing sensory information. Lymphatic System. The lymphatic system is like the body's drainage and defense network. It maintains fluid balance, absorbs dietary fats, and provides immune defense. Lymph, a clear fluid, travels through a network of vessels similar to blood vessels. This fluid helps remove waste, toxins, and other unwanted materials from the tissues. Lymph nodes, small bean-shaped structures, are scattered throughout the body. They act as filtration points, where bacteria, viruses, and other harmful substances are trapped and destroyed by white blood cells. The spleen and thymus are also key organs in this system. The spleen filters blood, removes old red blood cells, and fights infections, while the thymus is where T cells mature and become functional. The lymphatic system also includes the tonsils, which are the first line of defense against ingested or inhaled pathogens. This system works closely with the circulatory system to return excess fluid to the bloodstream and to transport immune cells throughout the body. By maintaining fluid balance and supporting immune function, the lymphatic system keeps your body healthy and resilient. Muscular System. The muscular system is responsible for movement, posture, and heat production. It consists of 3 types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles are the most familiar, attached to bones by tendons, and are under voluntary control. These muscles allow you to perform everyday activities like walking, running, and lifting objects. Smooth muscles are found in the walls of internal organs, such as the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. Unlike skeletal muscles, smooth muscles are involuntary, meaning they work automatically without conscious effort. They help move food through the digestive tract, control blood flow by contracting and relaxing blood vessels, and perform other vital functions. Cardiac muscle is found only in the heart. It's also involuntary and has a unique ability to contract rhythmically and continuously without fatigue. This constant contraction pumps blood throughout the body, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every cell. Together, these muscles enable movement, maintain posture, and generate heat to keep the body warm. Nervous System. The nervous system is the body's control center, coordinating and regulating all bodily functions. It consists of the brain, spinal cord, and a vast network of nerves. The brain is the command center, processing information from the senses, making decisions, and sending instructions to the rest of the body. The spinal cord acts as a communication highway, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerves branch out from the spinal cord and reach every part of the body, carrying sensory information to the brain and motor commands from the brain to muscles and glands. Sensory organs, such as the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin, provide the brain with information about the environment. This information is processed and interpreted, allowing you to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. The nervous system's rapid communication and processing capabilities enable you to respond quickly to changes in your environment, ensuring survival and well-being. Reproductive System. The reproductive system is responsible for producing sex cells, sperm and eggs, and facilitating the reproduction process. In females, the system includes the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina. The ovaries produce eggs and release hormones that regulate the menstrual cycle and prepare the body for pregnancy. The fallopian tubes transport the egg from the ovary to the uterus, where fertilization by sperm can occur. If fertilized, the egg implants in the uterus, where it develops into a fetus. The vagina serves as the birth canal and the site for sperm deposition during intercourse. In males, the system includes the testes, vas deferens, prostate, and penis. The testes produce sperm and hormones, such as testosterone, which regulate male secondary sexual characteristics and reproductive functions. The vas deferens transports sperm from the testes to the urethra, where it mixes with fluids from the prostate and other glands to form semen, which is then ejaculated through the penis. Together, the male and female reproductive systems enable the creation of new life, ensuring the continuation of the species. Respiratory System. The respiratory system is responsible for exchanging gases between the body and the environment. It allows you to take in oxygen, essential for cellular function, and expel carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. This system includes the lungs, trachea, bronchi, and diaphragm. When you inhale, air enters through your nose or mouth, travels down the trachea, and into the bronchi, which branch into the lungs. The lungs contain tiny air sacs called alveoli, where gas exchange occurs. Oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses into the blood, while carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into the alveoli to be exhaled. The diaphragm, a large muscle beneath the lungs, plays a crucial role in breathing. When it contracts, it creates a vacuum that pulls air into the lungs. When it relaxes, air is pushed out. This continuous process ensures that oxygen reaches your bloodstream and carbon dioxide is removed, maintaining the body's delicate balance of gases. Skeletal System. The skeletal system provides structure, protection, and movement for the body. It consists of bones, joints, cartilage, and ligaments. Bones are the framework, giving shape to the body and protecting vital organs. For example, the skull protects the brain, and the ribcage shields the heart and lungs. Joints are where two or more bones meet, allowing for movement and flexibility. There are different types of joints, such as hinge joints in the elbows and knees, and ball and socket joints in the shoulders and hips. Cartilage, a flexible connective tissue, cushions joints and reduces friction during movement. Ligaments are strong, fibrous tissues that connect bones to other bones, providing stability to joints. The skeletal system also plays a crucial role in producing blood cells. Bone marrow, found in the hollow centers of bones, produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Additionally, bones store essential minerals, such as calcium and phosphorus, which are released into the bloodstream as needed. Urinary System. The urinary system removes waste products from the blood and regulates water, electrolyte balance, and blood pressure. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are the body's filtration units. They filter blood to remove waste products and excess substances, which are then excreted as urine. Urine travels from the kidneys through the ureters, two thin tubes, to the bladder, where it is stored until you are ready to urinate. The bladder, a hollow, muscular organ, expands as it fills with urine. When it reaches capacity, signals are sent to the brain, prompting the need to urinate. The urethra is the final passageway for urine to leave the body. In males, the urethra also carries semen during ejaculation. The kidneys play a vital role in maintaining homeostasis by regulating the balance of water and electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, in the blood. They also produce hormones that help control blood pressure and stimulate red blood cell production.